So, I'm Elijah Burke, and I work at School Street with my grandpa and my brothers, and today we are sanding the kitchen floor, and yesterday we on accident tore up one of our sanders. So we went to Lowe's and bought some 2 more sanders, and out of the 2, this is my favorite sander, the DeWalt D27451K, and it just rotates and has a vacuum and vacuums up the dust. It's amazing. And here's a vacuum bag and it fills up very fast because it creates so much dust, and it works fantastic. I would really recommend this product.
Let's see the dust.
So here's all the dust coming out. I mean, it has a lot, and we wouldn't want that flying around in our kitchen while we're working in there. So now let's go show you the product. So here is the sander I was talking about. It has very tough sandpaper, and here's the vacuum holes where it vacuums up the sawdust. Come through here, and you just attach this to catch all the dust. And you twist it. So it is very good. It takes it off so well. Like, there's what it's done, and it's cleaned up in here very well. My pantry we're working on. And so here's how it works. You just turn it on, and so this product works really well. I highly recommend it. See you in another video.